you doing, guys? And welcome back to the West Coast show on Fresco Channel. And by the way, first of all, I would like to thank everyone that actually remembered my birthday. I didn't post it on none of the social media. People just send me direct messages through Facebook, Instagram. So that was really amazing. I didn't know so many people actually remembered my birthday. So thank you guys for those that actually did remember. Sorry I haven't been so active on Instagram or Facebook because I've just been busy working here at the house. Because yeah, there's a lot of little things that I didn't see when I actually bought the house that I guess it was hidden and behind the furniture and stuff like that. So there's a few outlets that are broken. We're painting, fixing a few holes, and just making things the way we like it. Today we're planning to go back to those islands that I showed you guys in the other video. So let's go with the show. On the road. All right, guys, so I always say ask and you shall receive. Like you notice in the morning it was cloudy and I said please, hopefully let's get sunny so we can enjoy our day. And look what happened. The sun came out. So now, I mean, it rained for a little bit, but the sun came out and now we got the dinger up in there, ready to go. And we're gonna have some fun on the West Coast. So we're ready for today. Are you ready for today?
Ready.
Yeah, the Yuli's here, so he's ready. And then we got Cookie, ready to go. And then we're waiting for some stragglers in the back, Joel and Gabby. So we're gonna try to have some fun in the sun. We'll see what the day brings us here at the West Side. All right, guys, so we made it. Check it out. Check out the view. Check out the view. I mean, still cloudy though, but we're gonna manage. Check it out. Check out the bay view. I didn't want to go on the ocean side. Well, sorry, the Gulf side. Yeah. Oh my goodness, the water's freezing. Woo. All right, so let's take it down. It's like camping for the day. Check it out. I'll show you guys what the campsite looks like. We got our own picnic table and everything. Check it out. All right, so we got Ogita the Explorer. What, you like it?
Yeah, I love it. I'm gonna take my shoes off because I have to go in there.
Yeah, look at that, guys. The water is actually clear. Last time we came, it was kind of brownish, but it's got cleared up.
Ay, qué lindo. Dame ese shell.
Get it?
No tengo zapatos.
Okay, take them off.
Déjame tu chancleta.
Oh, even Gabby came this time. Even Cookie came. You want to use my Crocs? Oh boy, okay. She's taking my shoes. That's okay. Actually, let me touch the water. Woo! Yeah, it's cold. Ouch! Big wave. I don't want to get wet. Biggie. Alright guys, so we're on the west side exploring some islands that like you guys saw from the last video. There's 3 islands here by the causeway that we actually camped up. Well, not camped, but settled around one, and we threw the dinghy in the water and we're gonna go sightseeing. We're actually not that far from Sanibel. We're maybe like 2 minutes from Sanibel. So Sanibel's over there and we're over there. So we're just gonna explore and see what we can find on the dinger. Let's see what we can find. Alright, so we took a little trip on the dinger around Cape Coral's. Well, actually it's not Cape Coral, this is actually Sanibel. By the causeway. Feels like we're in Miami. By Cape Biscayne, actually. It's pretty cool. Check this out. What time is it? What time is it? Is sausage time on the West Coast. Had a little barbecue set up from the boat because I couldn't find a small barbecue. And I wasn't about to buy a big barbecue and bring it out to the causeway here because it looked kind of crazy. So I have 2 of these actually. I have 2 of these boat barbecues. So I'm actually going to use this one to do the island exploring, so I can do the barbecue anywhere. Because all I do is set it up on those 2 rocks and ready to go. Gotta rig it up to make it work. So we got Chef Gabby today. She's doing some hamburgers while we wait for sausage time.
It's cooking. Stop.
And like you notice, the day cleared up finally. Got pretty nice. And look guys, the water's not brown anymore. Last time we came, the water was kind of brownish, but now it's turning normal, I guess. And if you hear a lot of noise back in the background, we have a lot of the big crows here. They're trying to invade. They're trying to catch us with the food. But yeah, they're trying to get us. So hopefully they don't steal no hamburgers or no sausages. see, it's pretty simple. Just find a spot by the water, sit up, and have some food. Or you could even grab a quick snack or make something at home and just eat it here and enjoy this beautiful view. And while we're enjoying the view and the food, we're gonna see what else everyone's doing, because we noticed the later it got, the better the day, and then more people started showing up. And this reminds me when I used to do the same thing by Key Biscayne with my parents about 30 years ago. And yes, this is something simple, but these are some great memories that you'll never forget. And also, it feels good to slow down the time, because in Miami, the life is too busy and it's going too fast. And I think this place makes a perfect balance, because what it really matters to me is being on the water or being by the water.
Just like that, it's all gone.
But you know what will never be gone? All the great memories we're making today. And talking about great memories, now the kids are gonna go out on the dinghy and explore and make some of their own memories.
Alright guys, so we arrived to the spot that I wanted to go to, and it's pretty nice. I'm gonna go here on the Hydrosport, maybe camp one day. This is called Picnic Island, I believe. It's really nice. I like this little cove it got. I'm gonna test my luck here with my little shrimp lure on my rod. Hopefully I catch something.
Go close. Huh? Those boats.
Alright guys, so I threw a couple casts here, and it's actually really shallow, so no luck here.
Hold on.
Alright, it's time to go.
And you know who else is making her own memories and bringing them home with her? Yep, it's Olguita, because she's picking up shells and she has a friend. And like you can see, I think she's gonna pick up the whole beach and take it home with her. But while she does her thing, I do my thing and just look into the ocean, or excuse me, into the Gulf, and enjoy the water crashing onto the shore. And I like to call it sea therapy, or like you already know, it's called sea laxing. And I wonder what picking up shell therapy is called.
Okay, look, I think Olguita's pregnant, but I don't know if it ain't from a human. It's from
I'm giving
the
birth a
ocean.
shell.
You're giving birth to shells. So what are you gonna do with all that?
Hi.
my regular decoration.
Oh my god, you got more
Look
there?
at this, how beautiful.
Oh my goodness, you got more there. Look at all the rocks.
For my
She done stole half of the ocean.
No, my, ¿cómo se llama eso? My sea, whatever, the wood that I have.
Driftwood.
Decorations that I'm making.
She done took half of the ocean.
And look at these.
And she's giving birth to
Look
more
at these.
shells.
Look at these.
Oh boy.
Look.
I got a lot of them.
These are like I don't know, like
What kind of shells are
clams.
these?
I don't know, but I like those. So I focused on getting these.
All right. Go ahead, give birth. Let me see you give birth out by the ocean.
I need another bag.
Well guys, like I always say, every good story has its ending, and ours is about to end because we're gonna start picking up and start heading out. And I think the day turned out pretty good because it started cloudy, it rained, and then it cleared up, and we got to enjoy this beautiful place, and very relaxing because we needed it from so much work at the house. And hopefully we could bring you more places like this by land or water here on the West Coast because we love exploring new places, and we could gladly bring it to you via YouTube. So remember, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you have any comments, make sure you leave it below. And also, if you know any spots here on the West Coast that's interesting, let me know and I will gladly check it out. And to all my Miami boaters, I'll be hanging out this weekend in Miami, so I'll catch you out on the water.